Hello everyone, this is Yasser Mahmoud, your classmate in the course of Statistical Learning with Dr. Lengeng Ji. My research paper I choose to do on the predictive modeling, an essential tool for data-driven decision making. So the introduction. So the predictive modeling is a cornerstone of data science, and it's very important. Uh, it has a very important role in nowadays for data-driven decision-making process, and this is very beneficial for uh, many industries right now in many fields. And it's processing by analyzing the historical data and identifying the patterns to make a good predictions, and this is could help uh, to make the easily decision and important decision for any field, and we will go through that in the next slides. So my focus on research paper, it's going to be on the key concepts, the definitions and scope, and the common challenges, and the future research opportunities around the predictive modeling. So when you read about the predictive modeling or uh, work on a specific project with it, you can come up with a lot of definitions with your own words. So the predictive modeling is a subfield of data science that uses statistical algorithm and machine learning approach to examine past data and forecast future results. Some of the key concepts that I'm working with on my research paper: algorithm, features, model evaluation. So the algorithm is regression, decision tree, neural network. So the regression it had the linear and logistic regression, which is a foundational for the predictive modeling. The linear regression is predicts the continuous outcomes, while the logistic regression is for binary classification. And the decision tree, from its name, its initiative model that split data into branches to predict outcome. Neural network is modeled after human brain are made up of linked nodes. Secondly, the features is the process of extracting the most important variables, and it's very effective because it helps model perform better by decreasing the overfitting. And the model evaluation, it's considered in two things, which is the matrices and cross validation. And the matrices such as the precision, recall, F1 score, this is very important to us in comparing different models. And cross validation is to assess a model and prevent the overfitting. Some of the issues: overfitting, underfitting, and data qualities and imbalanced data. Scopes, industry application. We have for marketing and finance, healthcare, and technological integration like Internet of Things and big data technology. The importance of Internet of Things is to work with a predictive model for real time, and the big data, like as we see, if you are familiar with Hadoop or Spark, this is allowed to work with the big data and see how you can combine and get a perfect predictive model. Some of future trends is hybrid models and the model interpretability and the real times predictions. So current status and ongoing research. So I will start with the widespread adoption and technological integration. So the predictive modeling is very integral, right, in nowadays and to operations of various sectors. as I mentioned in the last slide. So the integration of predictive modeling with emerging technological has further broadened its application. The advancement in algorithm and techniques, recent advancement in machine learning and artificial intelligence is enhanced in this nowadays. The capabilities of predictive models like CNN, which stand for convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks, RNN. This is used for tasks like image recognition, speech analysis, and natural language, and moreover, and simple methods which combine the multiple predictive model to improve performance. This is have gained popularity. Technique like boosting, bagging, and stacking, like what we did in our homeworks. Focus on interpretability and explainability. Techniques such as a local interpretable, model agnostic explanation, and shapely additive explanation. Have been developed to provide insights into model behavior and feature importance. Continuing the last slide. So with the ethical consideration and bias mitigation, it's the ethical implication of predictive modeling. This have garnered considerable attention in recent years, and concerns about the bias, fairness, and privacy have prompted researchers to develop methods for bias detection and mitigation. And for the future directions, ongoing research and predictive model is focusing on the real-time predictive analysis, hybrid models, automated machine learning, quantum machine learning, and sustainability and green AI. So fourth thing is the insights. So one of the key takeaways from recent advancement is critical need for model interpretability, complex model, while highly accurate, often function as black boxes. This is very difficult for stakeholders to understand their decision making, and the growing volume of data generated in a real-time necessities is the development of scalable models capable of processing and analyzing data on the fly, like on real time, and collecting data from many devices. The ability to make instantaneous predictions can significantly enhance the decision-making process in dynamic environments. Some of ideas based on what I research, combining predictive modeling with emerging technologies such as a blockchain and Internet of Things can unlock new possibilities, and exploring hybrid models that combine different machine learning techniques can yield more robust and accurate prediction. Integrating traditional statistical methods with a deep learning algorithm can leverage the strength of both approaches and resulting in improved performance. In conclusion, advances in algorithm and computer power have greatly improved the accuracy and usefulness of prediction models. However, the predictive modeling is far from over, and predictive modeling has shown to be vital tool in modern data science, and offering critical insights that drive strategic choices across several industries. And the various areas of inquiry provide interesting avenues for additional investigation and innovation. Future research opportunities, it should prioritize developing novel techniques that enhance the interpretability of complex models. And researchers should continue exploring methods to detect mitigate bias in predictive model, and should focus on optimizing models for real-time application, ensuring they can handle a larger scale, high velocity data streams efficiently. Like in Internet of Things environments. Research should explore methods to integrate and analyze these diverse data types to uncover new patterns and enhance prediction accuracy. Uh, Here is some of my references, and the rest of it is on my research paper. Uh, Hopefully, it's shown to you and well seen. Thank you for listening and watching to my presentation. Hopefully, I can have your feedback. It's very important for me. And if there are any questions, thank you again.